Hello guys and girls, of course. Since I play video games on space, it is my duty to make you aware of the events we will pursue for this year, specifically from ISRO, and I will try to initiate about its animations as well through KSP. So this will be the index video of 2023 of space missions, and from this we will get to know what is India doing in space and ISRO's upcoming space missions in 2023. So 2022 was truly a momentous year for space exploration as we witnessed NASA completed the Artemis 1 to humanity back to moon. Likewise, ISRO has been making several walkthroughs in the field of space exploration. So ISRO in 2022. As of October 2022, India has launched about 381 satellites for different countries, including Canada, UK, Germany, Sweden. Further, let's check out the upcoming missions of ISRO and beyond. This Chandrayaan 3, as in one of my video, it will be launched in 2023 this year. ISRO Chandrayaan 3 is first manned mission to space in collaboration with DRDO and HAL. The mission starts with sending two manned test flights, Gaganyaan 1 and Gaganyaan 2, before launching its three manned satellites. And the second will be Aditya L1. This is India's first mission to solar observation and currently is being developed by ISRO and various other Indian institutes. It is expected to be launched in March 2023. The Chandrayaan 3 is a successor of Chandrayaan 2, as we all know. X-ray polarimeter satellite is India's first dedicated telemetry satellite mission to study the various dynamics of bright astronomical X-ray sources in extreme conditions. The spacecraft will carry two payloads in the low Earth orbit. NISAR is a joint Earth observing mission between NASA and ISRO. This is a satellite used for remote sensing to understand the natural process of Earth like Arctic and Atlantic cryosphere. And then Mangalyaan 2. Mangalyaan 2 is ISRO's second interplanetary mission. Mangalyaan 2 is ISRO's second interplanetary mission to launch to Mars. Aim of the mission will be to understand the early stages of Mars. And there will be a new orbiter mission to Venus, Shukrayaan 1. Shukrayaan 1 is a planned orbiter to Venus, and the objective is to study the atmosphere and surface of Venus. India is engaging to be the third pole of our Earth.